You loved our last episode so much that for this episode we are back in the classroom for a one-on-one with the artist herself. I'm Roxy.
And I'm Yolande, and today, Roxy, we are going to do some scumbling. Woo! Okay guys, so I'm going to show you, these are a product called Scumble Glaze. Get them in 1 liter and 400 ml. Okay, so Scumble Glaze really is used for techniquing. It's also a water-based product and it also stretches your paint. It helps you manipulate your paint. So I'm going to show you guys what you can do with it today and how to mix it. Just want to bring to your attention that Scumble Glaze is decorative. It's not a sealer. Your sealers are protective and Scumble Glaze is decorative. So once you've done what you want to do with the Scumble, you still need to seal your project. Capiche? Alright, so let's get cracking. First up, I'm going to teach you how to mix it. So, easy peasy guys, you don't need a calculator or anything like that. It's 1 part water, 1 part Scumble, and 1 part paint. So I've prepared a board here, it's mushroom. Got some water here, half a little cuppy thingy. Now we're going to do some Scumble, just like so. And then next up, our paint. Alright, I'm going to be using charcoal shadow today. So it gives you a little bit of a shimmer and shine. You know, I'm all about bling.
Shimmer and shine.
Okay. It's like baking a cake. Okay, so there we've got our 3 parts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix some of that. There's our stocky. Okay, let me just move this because I can be messy. Okay, and then some water. Probably not the best little thingy to use, but anyway. It's good to suckle on camera so people can see. Not everything always goes as smoothly. Okay. It's going to go in here. I'm going to add those others too. Okay. So it makes a lot, guys, obviously, because I mean it's 1 part to 1 part, so you can really stretch your paint. So you don't have to technique. You can also paint, do like a like a wash thingy. There's stippling effects, ragging or dragging with a lappy, whole bunch of things to do today. But I'm going to show you how to create technique. Okay, there you go. Can you just capture that for us? Just to show you guys.
What sort of consistency are you looking for?
Watery.
Okay.
Watery. I'll say. Okay. Cool. Oopsie. And now, I don't know if you guys are aware of our paint sponges that we've just launched. Have them in a 2-pack and a 4-pack. Super cool, super cute. It's got a little design, you'll see there. So you can have a nice little grip. Okay, so here goes, guys. Okay. Remember the golden rule. It's always to have less is more. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna step over the lot on here.
can see that shimmer coming through nicely. It looks stunning.
So, still see the bottom coming through. Look, you can, I suppose, be a lot more creative and do different colors. I don't know about you, but it's giving me like a little bit of a cement vibe.
Yes, it looks stunning.
Okay, Rox, so there's no rule here. You can really just do what you want. So, I mean, this has got like a real cementy vibe.
Yes.
So you can go wild with like pot plants. You can do this like for a feature on a wall.
A bird feeder.
Yes, and you can even now stencil on top of this also.
Oh, lovely.
And do something like really unique. So this is really, guys, again, I am very conservative with colors, not as daring as most people out there, but you can do, I mean, if you think of Dijon and Blue by You, how nicely those two will look together, because it can also give you like a patina effect, the yellows and the blues. So that really is just to show you how to scumble. Do you think you'll be able to scumble, Roxy?
I think I can definitely scumble. Scurry along now and add that scumble to your cart on www.grannyb.co.za.
And careful not to stumble or scumble on your way there.
Cheers.